In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Google Ads campaign. Duplicating a campaign is a great way to reuse a proven setup without rebuilding everything from scratch. It keeps your structure, targeting, and creative consistent, while letting you test variations safely. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can replicate a campaign in just a minute or two. Start by signing into your Google Ads account at ads.google.com. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see the overview of your account. From here, navigate to the Campaigns section. You can get there from the left-hand menu labeled Campaigns. This view lists all of your campaigns, including active, paused, and drafts, so you can find the one you want to copy. Next, locate the campaign you'd like to duplicate and select it by clicking its row or the checkbox beside it. You're selecting the campaign so the editing tools know exactly which one to act on. With the campaign highlighted, look for the Edit option in the toolbar above the table. If your campaign is currently in draft mode, the edit control might look a bit different or appear in a contextual menu, but it's still available. The key is that the campaign is selected so the edit actions become enabled. Click Edit, then choose Copy. When you copy a campaign, Google Ads saves a complete snapshot of its settings, including budget, bidding, strategy, locations, networks, ad groups, ads, and keywords or assets. Think of this as placing the entire campaign on your clipboard, ready to be reused. Now head to the top toolbar and click Paste. This tells Google Ads to create a duplicate right in your campaign's list. After a moment, you'll see a new campaign appear that mirrors the original. This is your working copy. Because it's an exact duplicate, it's a good idea to plan how you'll differentiate it later, such as by audience, geography, or creative. But the duplication itself is now complete. If you don't see the Paste option, double-check that you recently clicked Copy and that the campaign is still selected. Sometimes the option is disabled if nothing is on the clipboard or if you navigated away from the campaign's view. That's all there is to it. You went to Google Ads, opened the campaign's view, selected the campaign you want, used Edit to copy it, and then used the top toolbar to paste and create the duplicate. You now have a cloned campaign ready for future adjustments and testing without rebuilding anything from scratch.